In this video, I'll detail how to enable Bitmoji on Samsung Galaxy keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you're using Samsung Galaxy keyboard as your default keyboard on your Samsung phone, you will be able to enable the Bitmoji feature on the device. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, the first you want to do is open the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General Management. Once you selected that, you want to scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Select Third-Party Content to Use. After that, locate Bitmoji and turn this on. Then you should see, by Continue, you agree to the Bitmoji privacy. Click on Continue. There you go. Stickers, search, and suggestion is going to be enabled on your keyboard straight away. Now you'll be able to access Bitmoji on the typing page. So type eyes. You see that? Type love. Then you have access to all these while typing on your Samsung Galaxy phone keyboard. So that's how you can easily add Bitmoji to Samsung Galaxy phone keyboard. And if you come here again and disable this, you no longer have access to the Bitmoji on the Samsung phone Galaxy keyboard. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.